Let's start with the index laws, the rules for working with powers. First, a to the m times a to the n equals a to the quantity m plus n. Second, a to the m divided by a to the n equals a to the quantity m minus n. Third, open bracket, a to the m, close bracket, to the n equals a to the quantity m times n. And two more special cases, a to the 0 equals 1 and a to the minus n equals 1 over a to the n. Now let's use these rules. Worked example 1. Simplify open bracket x cubed times x to the 5, close bracket divided by x to the 4. First, combine the numerator. Since the bases are the same and we are multiplying, we add the exponents. 3 plus 5 equals 8, so x cubed times x to the 5 equals x to the 8. Now the expression is x to the 8 divided by x to the 4. Since we are dividing same base powers, we subtract the exponents. 8 minus 4 equals 4, so the answer is x to the 4. Worked example 2. Simplify open bracket y squared close bracket cubed times y. Here we have a power of a power, so we multiply the exponents. 2 times 3 equals 6, giving y to the 6. Now we have y to the 6 times y. Remember, y on its own is y to the 1. Since we are multiplying same base powers, we add the exponents. 6 plus 1 equals 7. So the final answer is y to the 7. Here is the trick to remember all of this. When the operation between the bases is multiply or divide, the operation on the exponents is add or subtract. But when you see a power of a power, that is the one case where you multiply the exponents themselves. So multiply the powers together but add the numbers. That is the whole rule in one line. Now, a common trip up. Learners often see x cubed times x to the 5, and because the operation is multiply, they wrongly multiply the exponents too, writing x to the 15 instead of the correct x to the 8. Multiply the bases does not mean multiply the exponents. When the bases are multiplied, the exponents are added, so watch out for that sign and operation mix-up. Here is a teaching tip to avoid that mistake. Underline the operation sitting between the two bases first. Is it a times or a divide? Then, directly underneath that underlined operation, write the matching operation you will use on the exponents. Keeping them spatially stacked, operation on top, matching operation right below, helps make sure you never confuse the two.